Good morning, students. We will start today the complex number and quadratic equations. Look here, we will start this part 1. Here we will have a word iota. This root minus 1 will be iota. We write as a I. Okay, I means we will read as a iota. Iota square will be minus 1. If you square both sides, you get iota square equal to minus 1. Look here, one question we do that you have to find the solution of x square plus 1 equal to 0. Means you can write x square equal to minus 1 and that you can write x square equal to iota square. X square equal to what you can write? Iota square, and x will be plus minus iota. In 10th class, if we do this type questions, means we write there is no solution because the square is negative. There will not have any negative, but here we have two solution, plus iota and minus iota. Look here, complex number we are doing. So here a plus iota b will write. A plus iota b is a complex number. Okay, complex why? See, because here one real and imaginary part we will have, so we will say it is a complex number. Look here, we take some example. 2 plus iota 5 minus 5 plus 3 iota 4 plus iota 3 are the complex number. These are some examples I write for the complex number. Now look here, a complex number is given to you, a plus iota b. A is called real part. A is called real part, and how we write in a short format? Real part of z equal to a. This type we can write. Okay, and b is called imaginary part, and in short we write im, means imaginary part of z equal to b. Okay, im means here imaginary part, and re means here real part of z. Okay, so that you should understand. Look here, one question I will give you. Find rez and imz, means here real part of z and imaginary part of z. You have to find. If z is given to you 5 plus 3 iota, means real part is what is here 5 and imaginary part is 3. So you understand, this is very simple portion it is. Okay, now look here, one more we will do here, that if two complex numbers are equal, then their corresponding parts are equal. If two complex number given such, look here, x plus iota y is equal to 5 plus 7 iota, these are equal. Equal means their corresponding parts you will check. Corresponding parts means the real part will be equal and imaginary part will be equal. So real part of both will be, you can check. Real part of first is what is x and real part of second is 5. So here x equal to 5 you will get, and imaginary part of the first left hand side complex number is y, and the imaginary part of second side is 7. So this y equal to 7. So here corresponding parts means real part and imaginary parts are equal. Now we will take one more question, example 2. If 4x plus iota 3x minus y equal to 5 plus iota minus 4, you have to find x and y. Look here, this question is given to you, 4x plus iota bracket 3x minus y equal to 5 plus iota minus 4. Look here, real part you will do equal. Real part is here 4x and here real part is 5. So 4x equal to 5 you can write. This is first. So you will solve, you will get x equal to 5 by 4. And second part you have, this is the imaginary part. Imaginary part is here 3x minus y, and here is minus 4. So you can write here 3x minus y equal to minus 4. So you will get here 3x minus y equal to minus 4. Now place of x you put the value 5 by 4. So you will get 3 into 5 by 4 plus 4. Okay, that is equal to y. Now you will solve, you will get 3 by 15 by 4, and this minus 4 you will transfer, and y also you transfer. So you get here 15 by 4 plus 4 equal to y. So y equal to, you will take LCM here, and you will get 15 plus 16 upon 4 means you will get 31 by 4. So you get the value of x and y. X equal to 5 by 4 and y equal to 31 by 4. So this is a very simple question. Power of iota. Look here, iota square we know already minus 1. If we multiply both sides by iota, we get iota cube equal to minus iota, and again we multiply or we do square of this first iota square equal to minus 1. We do square both side, we get iota power 4 equal to 1. So look at these three value will be very important, that iota square equal to minus 1, iota cube equal to minus iota, and iota power 4 is 1. These three value will be very important. Okay, now look here, iota power 4 we have equal to 1, and if we multiply both side again by iota, we get iota power 5 equal to iota. Iota power, now again we multiply, we get iota power 6 and iota power 2. Iota power 2 is what is minus 1, and iota power 7 will be minus iota. Iota power 8 will be minus iota square, means you have here 1. Okay, look at iota power 4, iota power 8, iota power 12, iota power 16, that is value is 1. Means we can say iota power 4k, means iota power multiple of 4. Power is multiple of 4, then value will be 1. Now here k will be integer. Integer means you know already, that is plus minus numbers will be. Look here, we check for iota power minus 1. Iota power minus 1 we can write 1 upon iota, and 1 upon iota you multiply and divide by iota, you get iota upon iota square. Iota square we have minus 1. Minus 1 iota upon minus 1 is minus iota we will get. Okay, so iota power minus 1 will be equal to minus iota. Iota power minus 2 is given to you, that you can write 1 upon iota power 2. Iota power 2 is minus 1, so that will be equal to iota power minus 2 means minus 1 we will get. Iota power minus 3 we can write 1 upon iota power 3, and that will be, we will multiply and divide by iota, we get iota upon iota power 4, and iota power 4 is what is 1, and we will get here, this is iota. Iota power minus 4 is written, means we can write 1 upon iota power 4, and that you can write iota power 4 is 1. So what you can write, this iota power minus 4 is also 1 we will get. So look here, we will have here some value, you can check that iota power 4k will be multiple of 4k, that is 1 we will get. If you have somewhere iota power 4k plus 1, means you can write iota power 4k into iota. Iota power 4k is 1, that we already done, that you can write here 1 into iota, that is you can write here iota. And iota power 4k plus 2, that you can write iota power 4k into iota power 2, and iota power 4k is 1, and iota power 2 is what is minus 1, so you can write it, this is minus 1. Iota power 4k plus 3 we have, means you can write here iota power 4k into iota power 3, and iota power 4k you can write here 1, and iota power 3 will be minus iota. Okay, that will be minus iota. So that iota power 2 is minus 1, iota power 3 is minus iota, and iota power 4 is 1. That is a very important look here, all of you have to show that 1 plus iota square plus iota power 4 plus iota power 6 equal to 0. So how we can prove? First we take the left hand side. Left hand side is 1 plus iota square plus iota power 4 plus iota power 6. Okay, iota power 2 what we can write? Iota power 2 we can write minus 1. Iota power 4 we can write plus 1, and iota power 6 you can split into part, that iota power 4 into iota power 2. Iota look here, 1 and this minus 1 and 1 is cancelled, and you get here 1, so you can write here as it is. Iota power 4 is 1 and iota power 2 is minus 1, so 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, so 1 minus 1 you get here 0. Minus 1 plus iota power 10 plus iota power 100 minus iota power 1000 equal to 0. Look at this one as it is, you can write iota power 10, you can write iota power 8 into iota power 2, and iota power 100 you can write 4 into 25. Iota power 1000 you can write iota power 4 into 250. Look here, this iota power 8 you can write 4 in iota power 4 into 2. Iota power 2 is as it is, this as it is, this also as it is. Now iota power 4 multiple of 4, if power is multiple of 4 means we have the value is 1. So 1 you can write, iota power 2 is minus 1, iota power this is 1, and this also equal to 1. Now you have 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, so you will get the answer is 0. question number 3 is 6 iota power 54 plus 5 iota power 37 minus 2 iota power 11 plus 6 iota power 68, that is equal to 7i, that we have to prove. Look at 54, we can write 13 into 4 plus 2. 37 we can write 9 into 4 plus 1. 11 we can write 4 into 2 plus 3. And 68 we can write 17 into 4. So look here, you will change all these, you will get here that iota 6 iota power 13 into 4 plus 2 plus 5 iota 9 into 4 plus 1 minus 2 iota 4 into 2 plus 3 plus 6 iota 17 into 4. Look here, you will separate this 6 iota power 13 into 4 into, this is into iota power 2 plus 5 iota power 9 into 4 plus, into iota minus 2 iota power 4 into 2 into iota power 3 plus 6 iota power 17 into 4. Look here, iota power multiple of 4 is 1, iota power 2 is minus 1, and here again you will have 1 and iota as it is. This is iota power 4 into 2 is 1 and iota power 3 is minus iota, and this also 1 we have. So we will get here that minus 6 plus 5i plus 2i plus 6. Here 6 and 6 you can cancel, and 5 iota plus 2 iota, that we get here 7 iota. All of you understand this? Thank you. And